Good morning and welcome to Calendar with Miss PJ. I'm Miss PJ and let's jump right into it. So, first of all, check in with yourself. Ask yourself how you're doing. Are you happy today? Are you feeling a little bit sad? Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling a little angry? How are you feeling today? Today I'm feeling happy and excited. So, for your challenge today, before we jump into calendar, I want to talk about a challenge because I didn't get to do one yesterday. I was really preoccupied with that dog that I found. I did find its owner, so if you watched yesterday's calendar, I found a dog during my run. And I couldn't find its owner, but I finally found its owner and they are back together. So the dog went home. But for your challenge today, a while ago I talked about making a pickup jar. So in this jar, there are lots of pieces of paper, and on each one of the pieces of paper I have written different ideas of things that I enjoy doing. So if I'm bored or if I'm feeling a little bit down, don't know what to do, I can come to my pickup jar and I can just pick one and I could read one and it could say, have some tea on the porch. So that's something that makes me happy. I could make some tea and drink it on the porch. But for today's challenge, I went like this. I picked one out and it said, try a new recipe. So I want everyone today, with the help of an adult at home, to find a new recipe that you have never tried before, that you've always wanted to try, and go ahead and give that a try. Today, I am going to search for a new cake recipe because it is John's birthday on Saturday. So, very excited about that. Can't wait to make some cakes. Alright, let's jump into calendar. What month is it? What is our month today? Our month is August. Okay, let's find August. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and finally, August. Our month is August. Our month is August, and our year is 2020. And today it is August 26th. If we go straight up from the 26th, we see that our day of the week is Wednesday. Our day of the week is Wednesday. Okay, so it's August 26th. Let's get counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Wow, good job, guys. That was a lot of counting. So this is our 26th day of August. Shall we try to count backwards? Here we go. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally 1. Excellent job. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, so it is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. Let's jump into our Days of the Week song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. Here we go. Jump in. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. And on the count of 3, say our day of the week. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. 1 hop backwards. Yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. 1 hop forward. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And what is our weather like today? Oh, before that, our season. I forgot to do our season. What is our season? Is it spring, summer, fall, or winter? Think about it for a couple of seconds. Is it spring, summer, fall, or winter? You're right. It's summer. It is summer. We're getting close to fall. Not quite yet, but we're getting really close. But it is still summer. Okay. I looked out my window this morning and I saw blue skies. It's going to be a sunny day. And it is going to be hot. What's the weather like for you guys? Run over to your window and check it out. I'm going to count down from 10. When I get to 0, I want you to be right here. Okay? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, welcome back. Is it also sunny and hot like it is for me? Or is your weather something else? Whatever your weather, I hope you have a fantastic day. And I will see you back here tomorrow. Have fun cooking. Bye.